Hello, today I'll be showing you how to change your paper for your DNP printer. So let's go ahead and open the printer, and we're going to be removing the thermal paper first. Once you have the thermal paper removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the white paper off the printer and just remove the back ends, and all you need to do is load it back into your new paper. Once you have that rolled in, we're going to go ahead and put it back in the printer. Once it's back on the printer, go ahead and remove the sticker, and then you should have an arrow pointing where the paper is going to go through. You can go ahead and put the paper right through that. It should look a little something like this, and make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and load the thermal paper in. Just make sure it goes on the clippies on the left side and then the yellow on the top right. Go ahead and clip the bottom first, pull out a little bit of the paper, clip in the yellow on the left side and then the right side last. Now let's see if you were following along, and we're going to do a test print. So go ahead and print whatever you're going to print. And this is why I always do a test print. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of errors like this one did. So we're going to go ahead and send another one, and that one's good to go. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.